Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, we are going to uh, explain you the difference between the object, ABAP object or program, which is executed and it shows you some listing. And on the other hand, you use the data browser. You have a different tcode for that. You use the data browser and mention a table, and it lists down the table content for you. Both are the listing. One is through your through which you are supposed to enter the ABAP code and write write a ABAP program. And for the other, you don't have to write any program. All you need to do is execute the desired T code, and it is work. So what I was telling you was that uh, getting a listing of material by way of your ABAP written project object, the program, that is SE38. It is one side of the picture that you are using SE38 to open your program and executing it, right? So it is using the table, etc. For example, the material description table is MAKT. MAKT is the material description table. Okay, so if I run this for you, just hang on. MAKT. So that is a material description. For example, we take A to Z, okay, or we can use A, Z to A. Well, okay. So these all are ABAP programs, and not a table itself. It's the program. That program is using some table and listing the contents of a table in your desired manner, means the way you like to appear in the list, right? So let's let's execute it. So OK button should appear. Yeah, that means your ABAP report is ready. Yeah, this is our report, right? So this is one side of that you are using a table in your code and listing it down, right? Whereas the data browser is the other side of the picture, right? For which you don't need to write any code. All you need to do is use the data browser, specify the data table which you want to browse, and specify the criterion, the search criteria, and then click selection criteria. Yeah, and then click execute. So it is going to display you all your the material description from this table. Right? Both are doing the same thing. Material descriptions are going to be displayed, but one is in your way. That your way is that the serial number should come first, then the material number, and then the material description. There are right, and then in the end, it will come up with the total number of materials. When you go to the bottom of the screen of the list, you see, okay, these are 2,700 or certain materials, right? Because each entry is counted as one, then the second is two, and then so on, right? Okay, so this is the ABAP way of listing, and which is being compared. I'm comparing it with the data browser. Let's do the same for data browser. So what we do in here is that we go to the index sheet, right? We quickly go to the index sheet and we use, for example, this one, right? And we copy it. And here our table is MAKT. MAKT is the table which contains the description of the material and the material code. If you want both things, otherwise in the MARA, there is only material number is there, but description is not available. So in order to get the material description and the material all in one table, so you have to choose MAKT table. That's okay. So let's go and execute it right away, right? And this time we will go MAKT. So MAKT, it does not like sounds good. Let's make the description that what is the reason for it. We need this. So for material description, for this material description. Okay, this is more descriptive and will tell you that what is this all about. Okay, MAKT, data browsing, format, material description. So this will refresh as soon as you change this module, and then you will have the material description and have the object and the T code ready for you. So first of all, you got to log on to SAP. Okay, so let's say no, there is some connectivity issue, no problem. Enter. So this is ready now. Now let's go to execute this. So this is going to, okay, so it is having MAKT. Oh, so let's see what is it saying in F4. It is MAKT, that's right, and it is not finding. Okay, no problem. So it means you got to, because there's certain network problems sometimes. So this happens. So let's see that we have, okay, we have got this separate section. That's why it is not. And so we have to close this unwanted section. Okay, so this is the right way now. This is the right way. Now you can execute it. So sometimes it happens, no problem, don't worry. So this is now going to take you to MAKT, and this has so this is the SAP way of displaying no ABAP. You are not using your ABAP to list down, but you are dependent on how SAP presents you about it. Okay, so that's why it is a data browser only, and then click this, and this is going to tell you here. So it has taken the first 500 is, let's remove this so that all the everything comes into this. So you have now 21,000 material files because there are different languages. You can see the different languages coming in. Okay, so what we do, this is Deutsch language is coming out. Okay, so we have to correct our criteria, selection criteria that make sure that this is E. Okay? Now you have 2,747 all English descriptions are ready with you. That's okay. So this is how we do an MAKT. We learned that in order to get the material code and its description, we are supposed to use MAKT, right? MAKT is the table which will give you both the thing, matter, that is material number, and the description. Yeah, MA. So the difference between these two is that these are all uppercase, whereas here it is as they are entered, right? So in this is the capitalized, means the capital letter, right? So we take MAKTG in order, or whichever you want, you can take in uh, in your ABAP program, but we have used the MAKTG to display the alphabetical list, right? Okay, thanks for watching. So see you in our next video. We will come up with more things interesting for you. You will find them useful. Thank you very much.